Welcome to the Twin Sisters channel. Today we're going to be filming lots of things. If you see our background, you know it's going to be about. First thing is, you ready? Amazing squishies! But wait a minute. There's more than that. But let's get this one open first. I can't open it. I'll be right back. I'm back and I got some tools. Scissors. Okay. Let's open from the top. Okay. Smells like a cupcake. Something. Look. It kind of looks like a slow rise squishy. Let's see if it's a slow rise. It does look like a slow rise, I think. Okay, let's move on to the next ring. Let's move on to the next thing. Wait, I should forgot the details. Has a green stem and it's right low. Details. Let's move on to the next thing. Looks like next thing we got is another amazing squishy. Let's get it. It has a smile face. And it looks like a muffin or a cupcake. It looks like a muffin to me. Look how cute it is. It has yellow frosting, it has these fruits, and it has chocolate swirl, I think. Let's move on to the next thing. Next thing is not really related to poppets. Bracelet! Oh no. Don't tell me. I had to use a tool. So I gotta open with some scissors. Let's get this. Oh no. Do I have to open it from all sides? This will take some time. So let's see the first bracelet. It's this one. The first bracelet's pink. Let's see the second bracelet. This one, it's all goldeny. Let's see the fourth one. It's like a see-through gem kind. Let's see the final one. It's kind of like a necklace. And it has C on it. I wonder what that is. Let's try it. It's kind of big on me. Let's try that other one. It looks good. It was hot big for me. Let's try this one. It's so big for me. Oh, not so big. Okay, now let's try the final one. It's kind of like a necklace, and it's big. For me, too. Sorry, the background a bit. Okay, now let's reveal what we have in the background. Let me just get them. So this is what we have in the background. So we saw this one. So let's toss that back there. And this one. And the bracelets. But we didn't reveal the poppets in the background. Now let's see this. Doesn't make that much of a poppet sound. So let's see. Pop. That's so not good. Okay, let's see this one. So it's like a unicorn puppet. It's yellow, and the pink one's over there. Let's see the pink one. The pink unicorn puppet. Here's a estimate. Well, that was good. So let's do all these things. So poppets, bracelets, and squishies. The end. See you in the next video. Bye.